I've got a massive box full of some mystery tech sent by Rocket Comms, so let's unbox it. Firstly, we've got, let's look, we have something called the TwelveSouth Backpack. Let's see what this is. It appears to be a little bit of a stand that you put on the back of an iMac. Personally, I don't have an iMac, so let's see if we can find some sort of utility for it. So it comes in this lovely packaging over here, and here we go. So it is basically just a metal stand. It feels really good quality, and I guess you just stick this onto the back of your iMac. So in the box it also says thank you, which I really do appreciate. Inside you've got some setup instructions. You've got a little strap thingy as well. You've got some thread. And you've also got this little stand here which says patent pending. So I think the idea is that you put your hard drive on it and it's all very cool and out of the way. Fantastic for iMac users. Will it work on my monitor? Who knows? Next up we have a little stubby cooler. I've already got one of these, but it's very cute. It says my drink on it. Command R. What does Command R do? Refresh. Okay, so there's that.
Oh, you refresh yourself with a drink.
Oh my god, so you refresh yourself with a drink. That's quite smart actually. Okay, this one looks pretty exciting. It's called the Curve Flex. I really do need a new laptop stand, and this looks like it could be a really good replacement. So I've currently got a really old TwelveSouth, and it's getting really wobbly. So let's see how good this one is. Okay, so it comes with this, and wow, look at that. So what's special about this particular device is that you can adjust it apparently. And let's just get a laptop on it, shall we? So this is my MacBook over here. Let's pop it on the top. And yes, I've got my little cloth over here. We can just adjust it in almost any angle. Like so. That is fantastic. It feels really firm, and that's really good. This is going to be my new laptop stand. Thank you guys. Oh, and also it comes with a case. It's a stand that comes with a case. How special is that? Let's remove the and it just folds away. It's nice and slim. That is very cool. And then we can just pop that in like so. Fantastic! This is like my new favorite product. I love it already. Although it does look like you've got a toilet lid in your laptop case. Okay, let's see what else we have. We also have something from Satechi. This is the USB-C Slim Dock for iMac. So we've got a lot of iMac accessories here today, which is quite an interesting choice. Thank you for sending me iMac accessories, although I don't own one. But this does look like it could be quite useful. I have used quite a few Satechi products in the past as well, and they've all been pretty good quality. And let's see it slide out. Oh, it's stuck. It's way too well made. Oh, there we go. Lovely black box. Says Slim Dock on the top. Love that. And underneath, it is slim. It feels so slim. It feels like a magic keyboard, honestly. Let's get rid of the plastic. This is probably not the proper way of doing it. And wow, look at that. So basically, if you imagine your iMac, you've got your little stand. This slides inside, and through that we've got two USB-A's. There's the host port, USB-C. We've got micro SD, we've got a normal SD, another USB-A, and we've got a USB-C. That's so slim, and I'm pretty sure if you've got it on your iMac like so, you can barely tell that it's got like an accessory. That's fantastic. Not sure how much use I'm going to get out of it, but it's very good. My dad has an iMac though, so I'm probably going to give it to him. And it also comes with some sticky stuff, which is great. And also a lovely blue cable. Is it blue? Oh my God. This is like the prettiest USB-C cable ever. Sorry, iJustine. But blue's prettier than pink. And we've got one more item. This is the brand new AirFly SE. So I think I've got the original AirFly Pro and I absolutely adore it. It's like my savior when I'm on an economy class airplane ride. So basically it allows you to plug your Bluetooth earphones into a standard 3.5mm jack. In the past, it was quite popular with Nintendo Switch owners because you couldn't get Bluetooth working on them. And there we go. I think this one's really good because for the first time ever, it's finally got volume buttons. That's been a real problem with the old ones. And it also comes with a little USB cable and then the case as well. It's literally been one of my favorite items, and the SE version seems to be just another improvement, so thank you there. And then we've got a little note saying thank you. Thank you Rocketcoms for sending all of this over, really appreciate it, and we shall do another unboxing again one day.